This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter. Your Audi is not underpowered. It's under-optimized. Over time, even the most refined Audi engine begins to feel less aggressive. Throttle response softens. Turbo spool feels slightly delayed. Gear transitions aren't as sharp, and most owners immediately think they need a remap, a bigger turbo, or a performance tune. But that's rarely the first step. Modern Audi engines are extremely precise machines. They rely on perfect airflow measurement, correct ignition timing, stable boost pressure, and smooth drivetrain transfer. When small components wear out, you don't lose power dramatically. You lose responsiveness gradually. And responsiveness is what makes a car feel fast. If your Audi feels 10 to 15% slower than you remember, the problem may not be horsepower. It may be efficiency loss. Small parts, small wear, big difference. Today we're focusing on inexpensive components you can replace yourself. Parts that restore lost performance and sharpen acceleration without opening the engine or paying for a workshop. We are talking about restoring turbo reaction speed, throttle precision, combustion efficiency, gear engagement sharpness, and drivetrain stability. Because performance is not only about peak numbers on paper, it's about how fast the car reacts when you press the pedal. And before we go deeper, if you want content that focuses only on Audi performance, real solutions, and practical improvements without myths, subscribe now. It costs you nothing, but for us it means everything. It allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-focused content without filler or generic advice. Now let's start with the first category, airflow and ignition. These are the easiest gains and the most underestimated. When airflow is restricted, the turbo works harder to achieve boost. When ignition components are worn, combustion becomes inconsistent. The result is subtle but noticeable, slower throttle pickup and less aggressive acceleration feel. And the best part? Most of these fixes cost less than a tank of fuel. Let's begin with the foundation, clean air and strong spark. The first upgrade is a high-quality panel air filter, not an exposed cone filter, not a cheap modification. A proper performance panel filter that fits inside the OEM airbox. Why? Because Audi engineers design airflow systems carefully. Improving airflow slightly while keeping factory housing maintains stability but sharpens turbo reaction. You may not gain horsepower on a dyno, but you gain response. Turbo spool becomes quicker. Throttle feels lighter. Next, spark plugs. Worn spark plugs reduce combustion precision. They don't always trigger a warning light, but under acceleration, ignition may be slightly weaker, especially on turbocharged engines. Fresh plugs restore combustion pressure consistency. That means smoother torque delivery and stronger pull under load. Now we move to ignition coils. Aging coils weaken gradually. Under boost, spark strength becomes inconsistent. That inconsistency translates into slight hesitation and reduced mid-range punch. Upgrading to fresh OEM or OEM Plus coils restores clean spark delivery. The difference is not dramatic like a turbo swap, but it is noticeable in daily driving. At this point, if your Audi is several years old, simply restoring these three components can significantly sharpen how it reacts to throttle input. And again, no tuning required. You are not adding artificial power. You are restoring lost efficiency. That's the difference between safe improvement and risky modification. Now we move into the heart of what makes an Audi feel alive: turbo response and engine management precision. Most Audi turbo engines, especially 2.0 TFSI, 3.0 TFSI, and RS variants, rely on extremely accurate airflow control. When something small goes out of tolerance, the car doesn't suddenly become slow. It becomes slightly less sharp, slightly less reactive, slightly more muted. And that is what most owners feel without understanding why. Let's start with the diverter valve. The diverter valve controls boost pressure when you lift off the throttle. Over time, factory diaphragm-style valves can weaken or leak under load. Even a tiny boost leak reduces turbo efficiency. The turbo must work harder to maintain pressure, spool time increases slightly, and throttle response feels softer. Replacing a tired diverter valve with a reinforced OEM-style unit restores boost retention. This does not increase peak boost pressure. It restores correct boost behavior. That means faster spool recovery between gear changes and stronger mid-range pull. Next, the MEF sensor. The mass airflow sensor is critical. It tells the ECU how much air enters the engine. If the sensor becomes dirty from oil vapors or microscopic debris, it miscalculates airflow. The ECU then adjusts fueling conservatively to protect the engine. Result? Reduced throttle crispness. Cleaning the MEF carefully with proper cleaner can restore original sensitivity. If the sensor is aged, replacement is inexpensive compared to performance gains in smoothness and response. Once airflow data becomes accurate again, the ECU allows optimal fuel delivery and ignition timing. Then we move to throttle body condition. On direct injection Audi engines, carbon buildup forms gradually. While most buildup occurs on intake valves, the throttle body also accumulates deposits. A dirty throttle plate does not move as smoothly as it should. The response curve becomes less immediate. Cleaning the throttle body improves pedal reaction, especially at low throttle openings. The car feels more alert. Now consider the boost pressure control solenoid. If this component reacts slowly or inconsistently, turbo regulation becomes less precise. Replacing a weak solenoid can sharpen boost control and reduce hesitation during acceleration transitions. Together, these components can realistically improve throttle response feel by 10 to 15% depending on current wear condition. This is not artificial tuning. This is restoring mechanical and electronic precision. And here is something important. Modern Audi ECUs adapt. When components are restored, the system recalibrates gradually. After several drive cycles, you may notice improved smoothness and stronger torque delivery consistency. This is how you unlock performance safely, not by forcing the engine, but by eliminating inefficiencies. If you want more deep dive Audi performance breakdowns like this, subscribe now. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing precise, Audi-only content without myths or exaggerated claims. Your Audi already has the potential. It just needs the right components operating at full efficiency. Now we address something most owners overlook completely: power transfer efficiency. You can restore airflow, ignition, and turbo precision, but if power is not transferred cleanly to the wheels, acceleration still feels muted. Let's begin with transmission fluid. On Audi S-Tronic and DSG gearboxes, fluid condition directly affects shift speed and clutch engagement precision. Old fluid becomes less effective under heat. Shifts may feel slightly slower or less crisp. That delay reduces acceleration sharpness, especially during spirited driving. Fresh, correct-spec fluid restores hydraulic pressure stability. Shifts become more immediate. Downshifts feel faster. Launch response improves. Then we move to engine mounts and transmission mounts. Over time, rubber components degrade. When you accelerate, worn mounts allow excess engine movement. That movement absorbs energy. Instead of transferring torque instantly to the drivetrain, some force is lost in oscillation. Replacing worn mounts restores structural stability. The difference is most noticeable during hard acceleration and gear changes. The car feels tighter, more connected. Next, PCV system health. A failing PCV valve can cause pressure irregularities inside the crankcase. This affects turbo consistency and can reduce efficiency under load. Replacing a weak PCV restores proper pressure balance and stabilizes boost delivery. Another overlooked part: fuel injectors. If injectors are partially clogged, combustion efficiency decreases. The engine may still run smoothly, but peak response under acceleration weakens slightly. Professional cleaning or replacement restores optimal spray pattern and combustion stability. Now consider suspension bushings. Worn control arm bushings affect traction during acceleration. When the suspension geometry shifts under load, some power is lost through instability. Fresh bushings improve traction response and make acceleration feel stronger, especially in Quattro models. These upgrades do not increase advertised horsepower. They eliminate losses, and eliminating losses often feels like gaining power. Realistically, restoring drivetrain efficiency can improve acceleration feel by another 5 to 10%, depending on wear condition. Combine this with airflow and turbo restoration from previous parts, and the overall driving experience changes dramatically. Your Audi feels sharper, more responsive, more alive. If you value real performance improvements, not hype, subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing focused Audi content designed to help owners unlock what their cars are truly capable of. Your Audi does not need extreme modifications. It needs precision, balance, and efficiency. That is how you unlock hidden performance safely.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.